Preventive maintenance is important. You can avoid situations like this where the headset needs to be changed, but the fork and headset are seized in the frame. It takes a lot of work to get it out. A little bit of preventive maintenance goes a long way to save you money and to make sure that your bike runs at its best possible performance for all your rides. Your time is valuable and you love your bike. So show your bike a little love and get it serviced on a regular basis to avoid situations like this. So this is the headset bearing that's still stuck in the frame. And this is the remnants of the headset that was finally pulled out. But yet, the top bearing is still partly in the headset and needs to be removed. It took time and careful work, but ultimately we were able to get the headset out and replaced so the customer can continue to ride their bike. Preventive maintenance is one of the best things you can do for your bicycle.